Lahore Engineering brings best packing machine in Lahore, Pakistan. So, we can pack mosquito coil, muffin cake, biscuits, chocolates coating biscuits, wafer biscuits, single piece of soap. Soft start and soft stop in 0 positions. Machine weight 850 kilograms. Weight of packing material 2 gram to 500 gram. Sealing type 2 side and center sealing.
Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.